Before we start, let me ask you one question. Do you understand English but feel nervous when you want to start speaking? If yes, then this podcast is for you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. You're listening to English Evolate, and my name is Emma.
And I'm Alex. I'm really happy that you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we're talking about something very important for English learners, something many people struggle with: how to start a conversation in English. Yes.
Many people understand English very well, but when it's time to speak, they feel nervous and sometimes even afraid.
Starting a conversation is often the hardest part. You might think, what should I say? Or what if I say something wrong?
And that feeling is completely normal. Everyone feels nervous at the beginning. But here's the good news. You don't need perfect English to start a conversation.
Let's begin with something very simple, very natural, and very useful. You can start with, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Hello, how's your day going?"
These sentences are short but very powerful.
Yeah.
You can use them almost anywhere, at work, at school, or when meeting someone new.
After that, you can ask a simple question. For example, "Where are you from?"
Or, what do you do? Starting is important, but listening is just as important. When someone answers you, listen carefully and reply naturally.
For example, if someone says, "I'm a student," you can simply reply, "Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
What are you studying?"
See? You don't need long sentences or difficult words. Just be interested.
Yeah. Just be real.
Many learners stop speaking because they're afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are okay. They are part of learning.
That's right. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. The most important thing is to keep trying and keep speaking.
Now it's your turn to practice. Imagine you meet someone new. Take a deep breath and start with this sentence.
Hi, how are you? Then try answering this question in English. What do you do? You can write your answer in the comment section below.
Remember, confidence doesn't come in one day. It comes with small steps, slow practice, and patience.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support really means a lot to us. This was English Evolate. Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.